Welcome back to a new exercise in Autodesk Inventor. In this exercise, we will create a 2D drawing for this 3D model. As we see here, I will show you how to create a view, different view, and how to create a 90-degree section view. You see here, section view A here. And I will show you how to create a detail view like this one. And we will see how to change the color of the leader and how to place the dimension for the hole and chamfer and radius in horizontal position. So let's start. From here, select the drawing template, say create. Now the first thing we do here, just we select base, and here we have this view, and from here we can rotate on this direction or in this direction or in this direction. So let me rotate on so, and here we have this little arrow here. Just select this one and a new view appears here. And the same on this direction, same on this direction, same on this direction, and select one of these four corner. Let me select one. Now we have 6 number of views. In this case, I'm not going to use all of these views, so let me show you how to delete the unnecessary views. Just select this little X, this one, delete, delete, delete. Now here I have the scale 1 to 1. For now I am going to select 1 to 1 and just say OK. Let me move this view up here and move the view here like this. Now this view is related on this view. When I move this view on horizontal direction, the second view is moving together with this one because this one is related on this view. When I move back, it will move back. So just I can move this one up and down. I can't move this one on the horizontal direction independent. So in this case, if we want to create an independently view, so let's delete this one, not this one. If we delete this one, the second one will be deleted. So we will delete this one. So right click, delete, say OK. Now let's create a new view here. Select base, rotate, scale 1 to 1, say OK. Now I can move this one independently. This. Now double click on this view and from here select shade and say OK. See? Double click again. Let me change the position. This one and say OK. Now let's create a 90-degree section view. Select this little bit more this side. Select section. Select this view. Center point. Center point. Center point. And now make sure this line is 90 degree from this line. So when it's appear 90 degree sign, just right click, continue. Now we can move this one up on this direction. OK. Double click on this text. We start with this right section. View. and select this one and tap enter, say okay. See, section A view, and here we have A. Let's move this leader like this. Okay. Now let me create a detail. From here select detail and click this view and select the place you want to create a view. For now I'm going to select this one here. So just click here and drag out like this. Click, move the mouse downward like this. From here select this view and double click, change the scale from here like 1 to 1. Okay, perfect. Now again double click on this, and from this side let me write detail. View. Move this one downward, tap enter, say okay. Detail view. Now we will create, we will make these dimensions to be on the horizontal mode for the hole, radius and chamfer. So let's select manager, style editor, dimension, and from here select default ISO one, unit millimeter one, display. From here let's change the size of the leader. From here let's say 4 millimeter, 3 millimeter height, and for the color select red, say okay. Text, select from here, save, edit, okay. And let's change the color from here. Let's select blue, say okay. For the size let's select 4 millimeter, okay. Let me do one more thing here. Select style editor, mention, select one, text, and select for the diameter. For the diameter select, now it's aligned. Let me change to horizontal, radius horizontal. Even though for a hole, chamfer or punch or bends, we can select, for all we can select this one. Let's say horizontal, say okay. See, now select dimension, select all. You see, will be always horizontal mode. line and line 90 degree. Now select this view, double click, and here we have by default it have been selected the hidden line. In case you want to hide this line, just select this one and say OK. It will disappear. In this case, I will select line, hidden line, this one, say OK. Now I able see these hidden lines. So let's get the distance from here to here. So let's move this dimension upward like this. We can move this one down like this. So in this way, just to you can continue take all the dimensions you need. So I hope you like this video, and for more video and more project in inventor, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.